Hello everyone, welcome to React Learning course. In the last video we learned about state object in React component. State object is React built-in object used to store component related information. In this video we will learn about setState method in React component. setState method is asynchronous method. It has the ability to manage and update component state. If you want to change properties of this state object, we need to use setState method. So let's start. First, we need to create one button, because when we click on this button, the properties of the state object will be changed. Button, text bar button, switch, state, and now select onClick for this button. OnClick equal to this. We use this keyword because we using class component. This dot switch state handler. Now define this method. Instead of this method we will use arrow function. Switch handler equal to parenthesis equal and greater than sign. After this curly braces, and here we can just use setState method to change properties of this state object. This dot setState parenthesis, and here we will give state as a parameter. I want to copy this object here and paste here. Now I want to change some properties for this. Ahmad, change this from 24 to 44, and now save this file and move to browser. Here we have one button, switch state. We are using this button to change properties of state object, and here we have three output from the components. Like we have name Hafiz and we have name a year 24 years old. Now I want to click on this button, switch state. Now the name is changed from Hafiz to Ahmad and the years changed from 24 to 44. The DOM is updated by setState method. React component rerendered. By this way we can use setState method in React class component. Thank you for watching.